how I would edit my videos using our new Creation video editor app. I'll be taking you through a lasso pull down, find a nice dark background color. I like to bring the outline thickness of the body close to 0. Muscle outline thickness about 10%. Find the muscle groups that are being used. You select whichever muscle group you want to change. All your graphics are saved into your library. And then first thing first, and I'll always do, I add a gradient. And then we go ahead and add our graphics and select the set of graphics that we made. I usually go for the bottom left. We'll go to text design, to pull down. You can select different variants. Now let's add the reps and sets. I want it up at the top. And then save and adjust like that. We've got a killer workout reel. Do check it out. We do have a 3-day free trial.